Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. A. Jaganmohan Reddy. I am very excited to have you here. With over 25 years of teaching experience in the field of chemistry, I had the privilege of guiding thousands of students to the fascinating world of molecules, reactions, and concepts that used in our everyday life. This channel is dedicated to making chemistry simple, engaged, and accessible for learners at all levels, whether you are a high school student preparing for a competitive exam or just someone interested about the science behind the world around us. We'll explore topics with clear explanations, real time examples, visual demonstrations, and tips to master concepts easily. If you are fascinating about learning chemistry or trying to pass your next exam, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and join me in the learning journey. Thank you and welcome once again.